ठीक है, and or vice versa, cyclic chain is opening to the open chain partner. In case of cycloadhesion reactions, so as name suggests, so we are having adhesions. So we are having two substrates. So two substrates are there, and just like electrocyclic reactions, we are having cycloadhesion reactions, okay, which are either 4n pi electron system or 4n plus 2 pi electron system. Because this is again two different types categories of the reactions we are having, and again depending upon the reaction conditions. Okay, the product outcome that will depends upon the reaction conditions. Okay, whether we are doing reactions under thermal conditions or under photochemical conditions. Okay, so in the electrocyclic reactions, so we did, so the theories that will remain the same. So we did FMO approach, so frontier molecular orbital theory. Okay, so we were comparing the symmetries of the frontier molecular orbitals. Okay. Then through correlation diagram. Okay. So even through correlation diagrams, yeah, again comparing the symmetries of the reactant and the symmetry of the product. Okay, and then we are getting the whether these are correlating with respect with each other or not. Okay, whether the ground state is correlating with the ground state, or ground state is correlating with the first excited state. So that's what we observe, and then we predict whether the reaction will be a photochemically allowed or it is thermally allowed. Okay, and so in this case too. Okay. So we'll go with the first. We have to see. We use these two terms, supra and antara. So supra adhesions, supra and antara adhesions. So supra and antara adhesions. So like in electrocyclic reactions, we used to have con rotation and disrotations. Okay, so con means, so both the loops they are moving in the same direction, it's either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay, and in case of antara adhesions, so yeah, sorry, in case of disrotations, so disrotations, the orbitals, so they used to move in the opposite directions. Okay, so opposite directions, so one is clockwise, another one is anti-clockwise. Okay, so similarly in this case we're having a supra phase and antara phase. Okay, and what is it? So for example, we are having this orbital. Okay, so this is a orbital. Okay. Now listen carefully. So this is important, and okay, so this symmetry, okay, it will be used to predict the outcome of the reaction. Okay, so for supra, okay, we will call a reaction, we will call a addition a suprafacial. Okay, yeah, suprafacial when both the lobes of the orbitals, okay, they belong to the same plane. ठीक है, अब जब लोब ले रहे हैं हम लोग, एक लोब ले रहे हैं, ठीक है, तो ये above the plane आ गया, ये down the plane आ गया, ठीक है, this is above the plane, this is down the plane, ठीक है, so we'll call it a supra. Okay, if both the lobes they belong to the same plane. ठीक है, so whether अगर हम दोनों के दोनों अब जो इंटरेक्शंस हो रही है, ठीक है, अगर दोनों के दोनों ऊपर वाली हो रही है या नीचे वाली हो रही है, ठीक है, जो इंटरेक्टिंग ऑर्बिटल्स है, whether वो दोनों के ऊपर वाले आ गए, दोनों नीचे वाले आ गए. So उस केस में we'll call this a supra adhesions. Okay, so if these two orbitals, okay, these are participating in bond formations, okay, so we call it supra. Or if these two, okay, ये दोनों participate कर रहे हैं again, this will be a suprafacial adhesions. Okay, I'm again repeating it. Okay, it doesn't matter whether the orbitals they are belonging to above the plane or below the plane, जैसे ऊपर आ रहा है या उनका सेम साइन है या अपोजिट साइन है, it doesn't matter. Because what we have to see whether जो participating orbitals है, ठीक है, whether they are from the same phase, वो same phase आने चाहिए, ठीक है, दोनों के दोनों ऊपर वाले phase से आएंगे, दोनों के दोनों नीचे वाले phase से आएंगे, ठीक है. So in that case we'll call this a supraphysical, we denote it with S, ठीक है, and because there are, this is a two pi electron system, two orbitals, so we call it a 2s orbital, ठीक है. So similarly if we are having two orbitals, so one is participating, जो one formation में participate कर रहा है, if one is above the plane and another one is below the plane, ठीक है. Now opposite orbitals या phases, they are participating in the reaction, okay. So in this case this will be an entara because two orbitals are involved, so we call it a 2 entara. So this is a 2 entara, okay, entara fission additions. Okay. So similarly, so this is a 2s, so we can have a 4 orbitals, okay. So for example butadiene, so in this case too, okay, if the participating orbitals, okay, maybe like this, if the participating orbitals are from the same phase, okay, so we call it, again we call it 2s, and if the participating orbitals they belong to the different phases, we'll call it a entara fission additions, okay. Now in this case, because 4 orbitals, so we call it 4 supra or 4 entara, because 4 orbitals they are participating in the process of bond formations, okay, clear. Supra means both orbitals they belong to the same phase, entara means the orbitals they are belonging to the opposite phases, ठीक है. तो इसका इंटरप्रिटेशन आप अपनी मर्जी से मत करना कुछ भी, जो आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन दी है, to stick to that. So for example, okay, so let us suppose these two orbitals, so they are participating, okay. So these two orbitals they are participating, and this one is participating with this one, and this one is participating with this one, okay. So these are two orbitals, now we have to see whether this one, so this one, so these two orbitals they are belonging to the same phase, because we call it 2s. Again these two orbitals they are belonging to the same phase, so we call it a 2s. So this is a 2s plus a 2s addition, so supra addition, you got it, okay. Similarly, if you are having so this orbital is participating here, and this orbital is interacting here. Now any of you, so what is this, because again these are two orbitals, okay. So what kind of addition will we do? Is it, so first one, is it supra or entara? Suman Kumar no.
Yes, sir.
So this case में what will be? It will be supra or entara fission. First one,
Supra, sir.
it will be supra. Okay, so this one is good. And what about this one? Aman Sahu.
Entara, sir.
This will be entara. Okay, so this will be 2s plus 2a. So 2s plus 2a. So we'll call it is a and supra entara. So this is supra. First orbital is supra and another is entara. So this is supra entara S and A. Okay. So 2s or 2a additions. You got it? And if you have any questions, okay, इसमें अगर किसी को कुछ पता ना चला हो, so just let me know. Clear है? So similarly, so this is a 4 orbital system and this will be a 2 orbital system. Okay, so in this case, so Sazia Chaudhary.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sazia. So what will be the addition of this one? Is it supra or entara? जो 4 system है आपके पास? Is it 4s or 4a?
Antara.
Sazia, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है,
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा जोर से बोलो, आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
Yes, sir.
तो आपको क्लियर है, ये क्या होगा? जो 4 है,
Sir, Antara.
it will be Antara, right? So this is Antara, and this one,
Antara.
this one is again Antara. ठीक है? So clear? I hope so. This is clear to most of you. So again, because these are opposite faces, इसका भी opposite face participate कर रहा है, इसका भी opposite face participate कर रहा है. ठीक है? So we will call it Antara, and then now we will do this last one, and then we will move on. So this one. Okay, so this is basically I am showing the interactions. So what about this one? So Vikram,
Sir, both supra.
this one is
Supra.
oh, this one is supra, and then this one is again supra. So this is again. So these are the lobes. They are belonging to the same face. Okay, so both are 4s and 2s. Okay. So okay. So this is supra and Antara facial adhesions. Okay, and then just like the electrocyclic adhesion. So we are moving on to the various approaches. So first one is FMO approach. Okay, so this is frontier molecular orbitals. The frontier molecular orbitals, and for example, we will do 2 pi plus 2 pi. Okay. So 2 pi. So this is a ethene molecule, and it is giving us a. So this is the chemistry. So ethene molecule is giving us a cyclobutane. Okay, it's getting converted into cyclobutane. Okay. So what we have to see. Okay. So this is pi orbitals in case of frontier molecular orbitals. So 2 pi orbitals they are participating. So we know the symmetry of the pi orbitals. So this one is this is pi orbital, and this one is a negative and positive with one node. So this is pi orbital, and this one is a pi star orbital. Pi orbital and pi star orbital. Okay. So in this case, now we have to see. Okay. So the frontier, how many electrons it is having? Pi orbital. Pi ki case mein it is having 2 electrons. So both electrons they are lying here. So this one is the highest occupied molecular orbital, and this one is the lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. So highest occupied molecular orbital and lowest unoccupied molecular orbitals. Okay. So the interactions will be taking place between the highest occupied molecular orbital and the lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. Okay. तो उनके बीच में जब आपके बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन होगी, ठीक है, तो बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन दोनों हाईएस्ट ऑक्युपाइड मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल नहीं हो सकते हैं, ठीक है। तो इस केस में जो हाईएस्ट ऑक्युपाइड मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल दैट विल इंटरेक्ट विद द लोएस्ट अनऑक्युपाइड मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल. So if you see the symmetry, okay, so in this case, so it is having okay, so this one is having a positive symmetry, okay, here its symmetry matches, but here so this symmetry is not matching, so this is a positive and this one is a negative. Okay, so 2s plus 2s addition is it's a symmetry orbital. Okay, so supra additions, अगर दोनों हम supra faces ले रहे हैं, okay, so in the frontier molecular orbital we know the interaction is taking place between the frontier orbitals. Okay, so this is the highest occupied molecular orbital. So highest occupied molecular orbital is interacting with the lowest unoccupied molecular orbital of the other molecule, because we are having two molecules, this is one and this one is two. ठीक है, दो हैं, तो जब दोनों इंटरेक्ट करेंगे आपस में, So this is the pattern of interactions. And if we see that these interactions, अगर हम 2s plus 2s करते हैं, so 2s plus 2s के केस में, so this is a symmetry forbidden. Symmetry forbidden है, क्यों है symmetry forbidden? Because the orbitals with the opposite symmetry they are overlapping on each other. So this is symmetry forbidden. Second, the second option is we are having so these orbitals. So this is highest occupied molecular orbital and lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. Plus, minus, and plus. Okay. So now this one. So what kind of addition is it? Sakshi Nida.
Yes, sir.
So what is it? ऊपर वाला क्या आएगा? सुपर आएगा या इंटर आएगा?
A, sir. Antra.
It will be inter. ठीक है. And this second one will be?
Supra.
It will be super. Okay, so this is entire and supra. So this is 2s plus 2a, or you can call it 2a plus 2s. So 2s plus 2a. If you see, see the symmetries. So symmetry वो मैच कर रही है क्या? Yes. The symmetry ये positive के साथ कर रहा है, इधर भी positive के साथ कर रहा है. So this is a symmetry allowed transition. So symmetry allowed. So this transition is a symmetry allowed transition. Okay. But here the problem is because this is a thin molecule and the thin molecule is a very small molecule. Okay, ये molecule है ये वाला. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे जो pi bond बन रहा है, so pi bond is forming by the side wise overlapping. ये side wise overlapping से बन रहा है pi bond. Okay. So now, so इसकी जो orbitals है, ठीक है, ये छोटा सा है, ये bond length छोटी सी है, ठीक है. So ये orbitals geometrically it cannot reach to this orbital. वो ये orbital यहाँ तक नहीं पहुंच पाता है, ठीक है. So geometrically this transition is not possible, or this kind of interaction is not possible, ठीक है. So although it is a symmetry allowed, ठीक है, but this is a geometrically forbidden. So this is a geometrically forbidden. ठीक है. Symmetry allowed तो है, ठीक है, but क्योंकि वो मॉलिक्यूल छोटा है, जो तीन मॉलिक्यूल है वो छोटा है, तो उसके जो बॉन्ड लेंथ है या जो ऑर्बिटल्स है, इट कैन नॉट अप्रोच बिकॉज़ इट हैज टू बेंड होकर उसको दूसरी तरफ पहुंचना पड़ेगा, उसको अप्रोच करने के लिए दूसरे फेस तक जाना पड़ेगा, ठीक है. तो वो इतना बड़ा मॉलिक्यूल हो दैट कैन रोटेट कर सकता है बड़े वाला मॉलिक्यूल, ठीक है. लेकिन इन दिस केस इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल, ठीक है. सो दिस इज ए ज्योमेट्रिकली फॉरबिडन, ठीक है. सो बिकॉज़ we were doing this under thermal conditions, so this was thermal conditions, and under thermal conditions, okay, so the highest occupied molecular orbital was 5, okay, and the lowest unoccupied molecular orbital was pi star. So this is the highest occupied, this is lowest unoccupied molecular orbital, because in this case 2s plus 2s is symmetry forbidden, 2s plus 2a is symmetry allowed but geometrically forbidden, okay. So ये geometrically forbidden है, so we can say that the in case of this system, okay, so in this case this reaction it won't take place, it's not it cannot occur under thermal conditions, वो thermal condition में नहीं होगा, okay. तो अगर आप लोगों को पहले वाला टेबल याद होगा, इस टेबल को हम फिर से ड्रॉ करते हैं. So this is we are having 4 and 5 electron system, and 4 and plus 2 5 electron system, and here we are having thermal condition and photochemicals. Okay, so currently we are discussing 4 and 5 electron system. Okay, so under 4 and 5 plus electron system, so this transition is not allowed. Okay, or supra addition is not allowed. Supra entire is allowed, but it is geometrically forbidden because it is not allowed. So then let's discuss the photochemical conditions. So what will happen under photochemical conditions? Photochemical conditions में so in this case, so we know that, so this is pi orbital and this one is a pi star anti-bonding orbital. Plus, minus, plus, minus and minus plus. Okay. So these are the orbital of the one molecule. ठीक है, ये पहला है आपके पास जो ये बन रहा है, ठीक है, साइक्लोब्यूटेन. और ये जो ऑर्बिटल आएंगे ये दूसरे मॉलिक्यूल के ऑर्बिटल है, तो इसमें भी पाई बनेगा और एक पाई स्टार बनेगा. प्लस 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 माइनस एंड माइनस प्लस. ठीक है. सो दीज आर टू ऑर्बिटल्स. ठीक है, ये इस पहले वाले कहेंगे, दूसरे वाले के दो ऑर्बिटल पाई पाई स्टार, इसमें पाई पाई स्टार. ठीक है, देन वी आर गेटिंग साइक्लोब्यूटेन. So in this case, now if we are doing the reaction under photochemical conditions, so in case of photochemical conditions, so what will happen? So one electron, it will excite from the lower energy state to higher energy state. Okay, यहाँ से ऊपर चला जाएगा. Okay, so what happened? So under thermal condition, this was the highest occupied molecular orbital. Okay, but what happened? An electron will go from here, jump from here under photochemical condition. So this will become highest occupied molecular orbital. Okay, and these are again, so these are otherwise in normal conditions. This is highest occupied molecular orbital and this is lowest unoccupied molecular orbitals. Okay, but we always know that the molecule in excited state is always unstable. वो हमेशा unstable होता है, that always tend to return back to the ground state. वो थोड़ी देर के लिए रहता है, फिर वापस आ जाता है. So generally at a given point of time, what will happen? When the light is irradiated, okay, so some of the molecules they absorb energy, they go to the excited state, they again come back to the ground state. So what happens? So many of the molecules they still remain in the ground state. Okay, only few of them they go to the excited state. Okay, so we are having a kind of mixture of molecules. Okay, उसमें excited state वाले भी और ground state वाले भी. And the interaction will occur between a molecule in the excited state and a molecule in the ground state. जो bond formation हो रही है, so the bond formation will take place between a molecule which is in the excited state. Okay, its orbitals will interact with the orbitals in the ground state. ठीक है, उस orbital के साथ interact कर रहे हैं. Okay, so now what is happening? So if we are considering that we are taking a orbitals in the excited state. So this one is the orbital in the excited state. Okay, so the interaction will take place between the orbital in the excited state. Okay, so in excited state, okay, so this one is the highest occupied molecular orbital. Pi star is the highest occupied molecular orbital. And the symmetry of the pi star is plus, minus and minus plus. So this is the symmetry of a highest occupied molecular orbital under photochemical conditions. Okay, and this orbital will interact with the lowest unoccupied molecular orbital in the ground state. The ground state the lowest unoccupied molecular orbital pi star. And the symmetry of the pi star is again, so this is plus, minus and minus plus. Okay, so this interaction will take place. ये interaction हो रही है highest occupied molecular orbital की lowest unoccupied molecular orbital के साथ. Okay, so don't get confused. Okay, तो यहाँ पे क्योंकि अगर सारे के सारे orbital excited state में चले जाएंगे, then this is again becomes a highest occupied molecular orbital. अगर highest occupied है, then they will not interact. The interaction will always take place between the highest occupied molecular orbital and the lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. Okay. So in this case, what happens? So we know, so this positive one it will interact with this positive one, okay. And this negative orbital it will interact with the negative orbitals. Okay. और otherwise हम इसको दूसरी तरह से ये ऐसे लिख सकते हैं इसको, और दूसरे दूसरे वे में इसको हम, ठीक है, अगर क्योंकि यहां से देख के लग रहा है कि ये भी ये ऑर्बिटल दूसरे ऑर्बिटल को अप्रोच कर रहा है, ठीक है, बट अगर सिंपली लिखना होगा हमें प्लस माइनस माइनस प्लस, तो प्लस माइनस है ना, प्लस माइनस, ठीक है। तो ये सेम, ये दोनों सेम है, इसको इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं। सो इट मींस दिस वन इज इंटरेक्टिंग विद दिस वन एंड दिस वन इज इंटरेक्टिंग विद दिस वन। सो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एडिशन इज इट? ये कौन सा ऑर्बिटल है? इज इट सुप्रा और एंटारा? मिलिंद कुमार, मिलिंद कुमार सिंह, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। मिलिंद, कौशिक मंडल।
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, both are Supra, sir.
So both are supra. Okay, so this one is supra 2s and this one is supra. So these are both of them. They are supra. Okay, so we can say so this is supra and this one is supra. Okay, so under photochemical conditions, so positive negative आपस में interact कर रहे हैं. Okay, so it is a symmetry allowed transitions. So we'll call it under photochemical condition. It is a symmetry allowed transition. So this one is symmetry allowed. Okay. And secondly, so because the same faces of the orbital, they are interacting. So in this case, it is also geometrically allowed. So geometrically allowed. So this is both symmetry allowed as well as a geometrically allowed transition. So we can say 4 and pi electron system is supra allowed. So this is allowed transition. So the reaction in this case, the reaction will take place under photochemical conditions. ये photochemical conditions में reaction हो गए, supra reactions that will take place. ठीक है, so you got it? Clear हो गया? इसमें किसी का any doubt, any question? Okay, so this is 4 and pi electron system. Then again we can move on to 4n plus 2 pi electron system. So 4n plus 2 electron pi system में so in this case the reaction will take place between a butadiene. This is butadiene plus a dienophile, diene and dienophile. So it is again giving us a cyclohexane. So we are getting a cyclohexane. Okay. So this is butadiene, diene. So 4n plus 2. कौन सा reaction है ये? This is a naming reaction. Which reaction is it? This is Diels-Alder. Okay. So Diels-Alder reaction. So we will see. Under what conditions this reaction is possible? Is it feasible under
Normal conditions, sir.
Photochemical conditions or thermal conditions? So that we will see why it is possible only under thermal conditions and why not under photochemical conditions. Okay, so that we will see. So again, so we'll talk about the frontier molecule under thermal. What will happen under thermal conditions? So this is thermal conditions. So thermal conditions में, so we are having two orbitals. So one is of butadiene. So butadiene में आपके चार ये orbitals हैं आपके psi1, psi2, psi3 and psi4. Okay. And which one is the highest occupied molecular orbital?
Psi2.
Psi2. Okay. So psi2 is the highest occupied molecular orbital. So we are having psi2. Okay. And we know that the symmetry of a psi2. So this is plus and minus. And this is minus and plus. So this is the highest occupied molecular orbital. Okay, psi2. And the psi3 is the lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. Okay. We can also draw this one. Plus, minus, plus, minus. So psi3 is the lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. We can say, so this is lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. So this is highest occupied molecular, and this one is the lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. Okay, and this is ethene. Ethene के केस में so we are having two orbitals, एक pi है और दूसरा pi star. So pi star जैसे अभी कि हमने, so pi star की symmetry no node, zero node और pi की, और pi star में we are having one node, pi and pi star orbitals. So we know that under thermal conditions, so this one is the highest occupied molecular orbital, this one is the lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. Okay, so this is the arrangements of orbitals under thermal conditions. Psi 2 HOMO, and here pi is HOMO, highest occupied molecular orbital, and psi 3 is a LUMO, so lowest unoccupied. Here pi star is lowest unoccupied. Now we know that the interaction will take place, the reaction will take place between a highest occupied molecular orbital of one orbital. Okay, so let us suppose we are taking a highest occupied molecular orbital of butadiene. Butadiene का highest occupied कौन सा है? Psi 2. Okay, so the psi 2 is the highest occupied molecular orbital. Okay, so this is plus minus minus. Okay, so this is highest occupied molecular orbital, and this will interact with the lowest unoccupied molecular orbital of another molecule, and the lowest unoccupied orbital of another molecule is pi, here ethene ka. So this is pi star, and the symmetry of pi star is plus minus and plus minus. So we are having one node here. Okay, so this is the symmetry. So this is highest occupied molecular orbital, and this one is the lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. And here in this case we can see, so this orbital, so this will positive sign or negative signs. So this symmetry matches. Okay, so means the highest occupied molecular orbital of butadiene, it is interacting with the lowest unoccupied molecular orbital of alkene or ethene. Okay, so this is a symmetry allowed transition. So this is symmetry allowed transition. So this reaction is symmetrically allowed. ठीक है, तो एक तो आ गया, एक सिनेरियो आ गया ये, जहां पर हमने हाईएस्ट ऑक्युपाइड मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल लिया ब्यूटेडाइन का, ठीक है, और लोएस्ट ऑक्युपाइड ऑर्बिटल लिया एल्कीन का. Okay, so in that case this transition is symmetry allowed. ठीक है, और सेकंड केस में सेकंड सिनेरियो क्या हो सकता है हमारे पास, एक तो आ गया, बड़ी जरूरी नहीं है कि हाईएस्ट ऑक्युपाइड मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल हमेशा ब्यूटेडाइन का ही हो. ठीक है, सो सेकंड इट मे बी पॉसिबल. So let us take the highest occupied molecular orbital of pi. Okay, जो alkene है. Okay, so pi. So this one is the highest occupied molecular orbital. Plus minus. Highest occupied molecular orbital, and then we are having the lowest unoccupied molecular orbital of butadiene. So this is psi 3. So psi 3 के केस में then we are having, so plus minus plus and minus plus. Okay, so this is the symmetry of a lowest psi 3, lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. Yes, case symmetry again. Okay, so in this again, so if we see, so this one. Okay, so these orbital, so what is it? So इस केस में ये जो पहले वाला देखा हमने, so is it supra or antara? So which one goes?
Supra.
So this one is supra. So this 4s is supra. And what about this one?
Supra.
So this is again supra. So this is 4s plus 2s. So 4s plus 2s. इस केस में 4s plus 2s आ गया. ठीक है, supra आ गया. And what about this one? इस केस में?
Both supra.
So again both of them, there are 2s and 4s. So 2s plus 4s. Again दोनों केस में अभी supra है. ठीक है. So it means again the direction is possible in both way. Whether we are taking highest occupied molecular orbital of butadiene and the lowest occupied molecular of alkene, or vice versa. The highest occupied molecular orbital of pi and the lowest occupied molecular orbital of butadiene. ठीक है, तो उस केस में दोनों केसेस में we are getting the same results. ठीक है, ये हमेशा सेम आ रहा है. So this is we will discuss. There are a lot of other characteristics of these reactions. ठीक है, जो Diels-Alder reaction होगा उसको हम आगे फिर उसकी जो stereospecificity and stereochemistry. So keeping in that view, so we'll discuss it in detail. एक क्लास में इसमें एक लेक्चर में उसमें डिस्कस करेंगे इस रिएक्शन को. But otherwise, now we are clear that in case of 4 and pi electron system, so this is the thermally allowed. ये thermally allowed है. Okay. Then what? When it is photochemical, what will happen under photochemical conditions? Photochemical condition में thermal condition में तो हो गया. तो photochemical condition में क्या होगा? Because of under photochemical conditions. So photochemical conditions में इस केस में now we know that in case of this butadiene system, the electron it will jump from the side 2 to side 3. Okay, अगर ये वाला excited state में आ रहा है. Okay. So from side 2 to side 3 and okay. So now in this case, so this will become highest occupied molecular orbital. Side 3 will become highest occupied molecular orbital. So side 3 is the highest occupied molecular orbital. And now it will interact with the lowest unoccupied molecular orbital of alkene. Okay, so ethene का lowest unoccupied है. So ये आगे इसके इसमें plus and minus. So if we see highest occupied molecular orbital, this one. Okay. So highest occupied molecular orbital, so it will be side 3. So इसका symmetry a side 3 आएगा, plus and minus. Plus minus, plus minus and minus, plus and minus, plus. Okay. So this is the symmetry of highest occupied molecular orbital, and alkene के केस में जो lowest unoccupied molecular orbital है, तो it will be plus minus and plus minus. So one node. This is lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. So if you see, so this one is okay. So this one is interacting. So plus plus. And here, if you see, this one is negative and this one is plus, so there is no, there can't be no interactions. So if we take supra addition, so 4s plus 2s, so 4s plus 2s additions, cycloadditions, okay, under photochemical conditions. So this will be a symmetry forbidden transitions. So it is a symmetry forbidden. So this one is a symmetry forbidden. So this one was highest occupied molecular orbital and lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. Symmetry forbidden. अगर आपने opposite देखना है या उसका vice versa देखना है, ये let us suppose photochemical conditions में. So this जो आपके पास alkene है, ethene है. So ये इसमें transition हो रही है. So let us suppose it goes to the excited state. So in this case, this one is the highest occupied molecular orbital. Yapka highest occupied molecular orbital. So this one is highest occupied molecular orbital. So it means the pi's are highest occupied one here. So this is minus and this one is plus. Okay. And 4 pi में. So in this case, the side 3 will be the lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. Okay. So this one is the lowest unoccupied. So side 3. So side 3 के केस में plus minus minus plus and minus side 3 minus plus and so this is plus. Sorry. So this psi 3 is a there will be two nodes. So this one is a minus and a plus. Okay. So this is psi 3. So psi 3 के केस में, so now this 4s इसका जो psi 3 है, psi 3 will become lowest unoccupied molecular orbital और इस केस में pi star will become highest occupied molecular orbital. So you see the interactions. So 4s. So 4s plus 2s and this one. So this one will be symmetry forbidden. This case में this minus is interacting with the plus. So this will be a symmetry forbidden transitions. तो इसमें ये symmetry forbidden आएगा. Okay. So what we have seen under thermal conditions. So 4s plus 2 s is a symmetry allowed transitions, and under photochemical conditions it is a symmetry forbidden transitions. Okay. And so in this case, the symmetry allowed transitions can be a so in this case, so if we are assuming this, so in this case, so this is 2s. Okay, इसको okay, ये चल रहा है. So in this case, so this is a superficial. Okay. Under photochemical conditions. Photochemical conditions में अगर आप देखोगे, but when it will approach with other orbitals. Now, butadiene is big molecule. Big molecule है, so it can rotate. It can rotate and approach this orbital. Okay. ये तो छोटा वाला है, लेकिन ये तो नहीं rotate. इसका opposite face नहीं approach कर सकता. But ये इसमें क्योंकि flexibility है जिनमें, so this orbital it can approach this one. So this transition, so this one is a now. So if you see positive interacting here and negative is interacting here negative with the negative orbital. So this is a symmetry allowed transitions. So symmetry allowed में क्या हो रहा है इसमें? So this one is 2s and 4a. So you can call it 4a plus 2s is a symmetry allowed transitions. So 4s plus 2a, sorry 4a plus 2s is a symmetry allowed transitions. So this is photochemical. Okay, so this is symmetry allowed as well as geometrically allowed. So it may be possible. This kind of product may be possible. So maybe so there might be formation of a very small amount of this product, which ये वाला product भी बन सकता है. जहाँ पे जो addition होगी, it will be through Andara phase, supra or Andara phase की addition होगी. Okay, plus 2a plus 4s that cannot be possible. Okay, क्योंकि lithium के वो opposite phases आपस में एक दूसरे को approach नहीं कर सकते. Okay, so this might be possible. Yeah, symmetrical. Okay. So we can call it a 4a plus 2s transition for its photochemical reduction. So this transition is a symmetry allowed transition under photochemical conditions. Okay, you got it? Any question from here? इसमें से किसी का कोई डॉट क्वेश्चन हो? Clear? So इसी तरह से मैं 5 मिनट और लूंगा आपका. We are having correlation diagram. इसी तरह से correlation diagram भी है. So correlation diagram है. So this is alkene. So this will give you cyclobutane. Okay. So alkene के केस में, so we are having these orbitals. 2n plus 2n. So इस केस में these different orbitals they will participate. So these orbitals they can approach in a different way. So for example, we are having तो प्लस प्लस माइनस माइनस प्लस प्लस माइनस माइनस, ठीक है. So these are the bonding orbitals. The bonding orbitals, so they can approach in a bonding way. Similarly, the bonding orbitals, they can also approach in a anti-bonding way. So plus plus minus 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 and plus
It's
plus.
11 o'clock.
So these are the bonding orbitals, okay, of these two. Okay. So these can approach in this way. Similarly, we are having anti-bonding orbitals. Okay. So anti-bonding orbitals, they can also approach. So this is plus minus minus plus. Okay. So it can approach. Okay. So this one is plus minus minus plus. So these are the anti-bonding orbitals. Okay. So they can approach in this way, as well as so this is plus minus minus plus. This is plus minus minus plus. So this is pi orbital of one alkene, pi orbital of another alkene. So these orbitals, they can approach each other. Okay. Yeah, you can see. So these, in this case, the same orbital, they are facing each other. In this case, opposite orbital, they are facing each other. Okay. So in this case, in the third one, okay, anti-bonding orbitals, but you can see these orbitals plus and minus minus. Okay, so they may be approaching in a bonding way. The bonding way में approach कर रहे हैं, and in this case we are having orbitals which are anti-bonding orbitals approaching each other in a anti-bonding way. So this is the अगर यहाँ पे इनको बोले तो this is the symmetry of the reactant orbitals. So reactant orbitals की these are the various arrangements. Okay. So similarly we can have, so this is the product cyclobutane. So cyclobutane, so this can, okay, so we are having a 2 sigma bond plus plus plus. Okay. So this orbital, it results when these two orbitals, when they are approaching in a bonding way. जब वो bonding orbitals a bonding way में approach करेंगे आपस में एक दूसरे को, then it will result into this thing. Okay. Similarly, when the anti-bonding orbitals, when the bonding orbitals approach each other in a bonding way, okay, then it will result. Okay, so this is plus plus minus minus plus plus and minus. Okay, so and they again the orbitals with the similar symmetry, they are approaching with each other, so that again results in the bond formation. Okay, and the third possibility is, so these are the bonding and anti-bonding orbitals of the product. Okay, ये आपस में एक दूसरे को फेस कर रहे हैं. So in this case, we see plus plus minus minus. This one is minus minus and plus plus. Okay. And the fourth orbital is anti-bonding orbital of the product. We use plus minus minus plus plus minus minus plus. Okay. So these are the four, because we are having total 2 orbitals here. दो इसके हैं और दो इसके हैं. Total four orbitals of the reactant. Similarly, so we are having 4 new bonds. Okay, यहाँ पे जो rearrangement हो रहा है. So we are having this 2 sigma bond, sorry, 2 sigma bond, 1 sigma bond and another sigma bond. ये 2 sigma bond नहीं बने यहाँ पे. Okay, so we can have sigma 1 and sigma 2. Then sigma 3 star and sigma 4 star. So anti-bonding orbital. Maybe sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 3 star and sigma 4 star. So 2 bonding orbitals, sigma bonding orbitals, and 2 anti-bonding sigma orbitals. Then here we are having 4 orbitals. So pi bonding and pi anti-bonding orbitals. Okay. In this case, now we are having symmetry. हम compare करेंगे इनकी. So we are having 2 planes. One is vertical plane of symmetry here. So we call it a sigma b. Sigma b is vertical plane of symmetry. ये जो reactant orbitals हैं. ठीक है, एंड सिग्मा एच इज horizontal plane of symmetry. So this is sigma h, okay, and this one is a sigma v, vertical plane of symmetry. So we will compare these two orbitals, vertical plane of symmetry and horizontal plane of symmetry of all the orbitals. So this one is sigma b, then sigma v, and this one is a sigma v. So vertical plane और ये horizontal plane को ही किया जाएगा सभी orbitals का, ठीक है. Now we have to compare the symmetry of these orbitals, ठीक है. तो आकांक्षा लेगी, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
आकांक्षा, so ये जो पहले वाला orbital है, ठीक है, if you see आपके पास है sigma vertical, तो sigma vertical is it symmetric or asymmetric? इसमें vertical plane of symmetry है कि नहीं?
Sir, symmetry. है sir.
Asymmetric
Symmetric.
है कि नहीं है? Symmetric है कि asymmetric?
Symmetric, sir.
Symmetric, ठीक है. So this one is symmetric, we can see. So अगर यहाँ पे हम ये plane पास कर रहे हैं, so positive और इधर negative आपस में आ रहा है, ठीक है, एक दूसरे को फेस कर रहे हैं. So this is having a symmetric. So this is symmetric, having vertical plane of symmetry, ठीक है. Similarly, if you compare horizontal, यहाँ पे अगर आप plane रख रहे हो, यहाँ पे बीच में, तो इस plane के बीच में, if you see, is it having a horizontal plane of symmetry? इसमें होगा horizontal plane of symmetry. So वैशाली फोटो
यस सर है सर
इसमें
सिमेट्री.
होगा.
हाँ सर होगा सर.
Yes. So it is again. So because first half is mirror image of second, so it is having both the symmetry, sigma horizontal as well as sigma vertical. तो ये आ गया. Second केस में, but our sigma vertical है अपर्णा रमेश.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sigma is there.
But
Sigma-
our sigma horizontal.
Yeah, it's absent.
No, it's not there. Okay, so we call it asymmetric. So sigma vertical is there, but sigma horizontal is not there. So sigma S and A. Okay. Then in third case, okay. So third case में बंदनिका चौधरी.
Yes, sir.
So is it having sigma vertical?
No, sir.
So it is asymmetric. This is to sigma vertical. And what about sigma horizontal? Sigma horizontal होगा कि नहीं?
No, sir. Yes, sir. नहीं होगा.
अरे यहाँ पे करके देखो, यहाँ पे डाल दो. ये पॉजिटिव है, ये पॉजिटिव बनेगा, ये नेगेटिव बनेगी. इसकी मिरर इमेज बन रही है, दूसरे की मिरर इमेज बन रही है. तो है कि नहीं है? ये है.
Symmetrical.
या इसमें मिरर प्लेन सिमेट्री है. इसमें हॉरिजॉन्टल तो है ना, ऊपर वाले के एग्जैक्टली नीचे वाला मिरर इमेज बन रहा है कि नहीं बन रहा है? उनके जो लोब्स हैं
बन रहा है सर.
बन रहा है. तो यस, इट इज हैविंग सिमेट्रिक, ठीक है. देन दिग्रोहन सिंह.
Yes, sir.
What about this one? Last one.
The vertically asymmetrical and horizontally symmetrical.
Vertically asymmetric, horizontally
Symmetrical.
symmetric आ रहा है कैसे?
No, sir.
यहाँ-
Horizontally is also asymmetrical.
तो ये A आएगा इसका, ठीक है. So this one is A. Okay. So symmetric, asymmetric, symmetric. Okay. Similarly, यहाँ पे अगर आप देखोगे, यहाँ पे भी सेम ऐसे रहेगा. यहाँ पे दो प्लेन ऑफ सिमेट्री आएंगे यहाँ पे हमारे, ठीक है. So इस केस में फर्स्ट वन सिग्मा 1 के केस में अर्पित रोहित.
यस सर.
सिग्मा हॉरिजॉन्टल है कि नहीं?
सर है.
So sigma horizontal is there. Sigma vertical
है सर.
दोनों है. So this is SS, ठीक है. So it's done. अर्पिता रोशनी बेहरा sigma 2 में sigma horizontal है. अर्पिता.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. है.
तो sigma horizontal ध्यान से देखो. सॉरी sigma vertical. सबसे पहले हम sigma vertical देख रहे हैं. Sigma vertical है इस केस में vertical plane of symmetry.
No, sir.
है कि नहीं?
नहीं है.
फिर से है
sigma
नहीं है,
नहीं है,
दिस इज असिमेट्रिक। सिग्मा हॉरिजॉन्टल,
sigma horizontal है,
सिग्मा हॉरिजॉन्टल है, असिमेट्रिक है ना, सिमेट्रिक। ठीक है दीपांकर,
Yes, sir.
सो व्हाट अबाउट सिग्मा 3 स्टार? इसमें सिग्मा वर्टिकल है क्या?
Yes, sir. Sigma vertical present.
सिग्मा वर्टिकल है, सो दिस इज सिमेट्रिक। सिग्मा हॉरिजॉन्टल
Sir, absent.
नहीं है, ठीक है, सो इट इज असिमेट्रिक। कृष्णेंदु, सिग्मा स्टार, सिग्मा 4 स्टार में कृष्णेंदु जी, सिग्मा वर्टिकल,
yes sir,
सिग्मा वर्टिकल है कि नहीं?
sir I can't see it clearly sir,
इससे ज्यादा क्लियर तो नहीं दिखा सकता मैं, तो
Sir,
बोल सकता हूँ
sigma v is absent,
सिग्मा बी इज असिमेट्रिक। ओके, एंड सिग्मा हॉरिजॉन्टल
sigma h is also absent,
इट इज अगेन असिमेट्रिक। ठीक है, सो सिग्मा वर्टिकल एंड सिग्मा हॉरिजॉन्टल इट इज असिमेट्रिक। सो दिस इज, सो नो इसमें क्या करते हैं हम लोग कोरिलेशन डायग्राम में। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी ड्रॉ various orbitals and then we compare this symmetry. Okay, so here in this case, in case of these orbitals, okay, so we are having pi 1, pi 2, pi 3 star and pi 4 star. Okay, so these are the symmetries of the reactant or products की sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 3 and sigma 3 star, sigma 4 star. Okay, and then we'll put their symmetry elements. So symmetry elements में we are having this is symmetric as this second one is symmetric asymmetric. Okay, third one is asymmetric, and fourth one is asymmetric. Okay. Similarly, here in this case, in these orbitals, so we are having symmetric, then asymmetric, then symmetric, asymmetric, and then asymmetric. Okay. So these are the symmetry elements. So you placed it. Okay. So now from here we will see whether the reaction is possible under thermal condition or photochemical conditions. ठीक है, यहाँ से हम देखेंगे इसमें ये photochemical condition में जाएगा कि thermal condition में जाएगा। ठीक है, so before that you have to understand ये जो symmetric है and asymmetric, so they are not the same orbital, they are not belonging to the same set of energy, इनकी energy अलग है, so these are डिफरेंस है। ऐसा नहीं होगा कि सिमेट्रिक asymmetric और asymmetric दोनों सेम चीज है। ओके, सो दे आर डिफरेंट, दैट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड। सो जो सिमेट्रिक है वो सिर्फ सिमेट्रिक के साथ कोरिलेट करेगा, और asymmetric दिस विल कोरिलेट ओनली विद द asymmetric। ओके, सो इफ यू सी, सो वी नो दैट these are the reactant है, and these are the product। ठीक है, and these are the ground state orbitals, sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 3 star and sigma 4 star are excited state orbitals.
No, sir.
Yeah,
सर प्रोडक्ट में सिग्मा 2 AS हो गया और तो रिएक्टेंट में तो वो SA था सर, तो ऐसा क्यों चेंज हो गया सर?
देखो जो यहाँ पे जो हम दिखा रहे हैं कि ऑर्बिटल से हाउ दे आर अप्रोचिंग। ठीक है, तो ये ऑर्बिटल हमारे पास पाई है। ठीक है, सो पाई ऑर्बिटल इट कैन अप्रोच द अदर पाई ऑर्बिटल इन टू डिफरेंट वेज। वन इज इन ए बॉन्डिंग वे, जब आपस में एक दूसरे को बेस कर रहा है पॉजिटिव। ठीक है, सेकंड पॉसिबिलिटी इज इट कैन अप्रोच इन ए नेगेटिव। ठीक है, इन नेगेटिव बॉन्डिंग वे, जो प्लस है और प्लस को माइनस अप्रोच कर रहा है। ठीक है, लेकिन जब ये बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन होगी इनके बीच में, व्हेन द बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन विल टेक प्लेस, ठीक है, तो उस केस में क्या होगा कि दीस ऑर्बिटल्स जो प्लस 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 और माइनस माइनस है, सो जब वो प्रोडक्ट में जाएगा, प्रोडक्ट में कन्वर्ट होगा, सो दैट विल रिजल्ट इनटू एंटी बॉन्डिंग ऑर्बिटल्स, क्योंकि इनकी सिमेट्री नहीं मैच कर रही है, तो ये एंटी बॉन्डिंग में चले जाएंगे, बॉन्डिंग से एंटी बॉन्डिंग में चले जाएंगे, ठीक है। और जो एंटी बॉन्डिंग ऑर्बिटल्स है, when the anti bonding orbitals when they are approaching in a bonding way, ये प्लस माइनस है और नीचे भी प्लस माइनस है, तो जो when they will approach, ठीक है, so then there will be interactions, so these are the symmetry around transitions, ठीक है। तो एंटी बॉन्डिंग से then प्रोडक्ट में they will become a bonding orbitals, तो दोनों के बीच में ये बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन होगा, ठीक है, when the energy when the symmetry of the orbital is matching, आपस में इन दोनों की सिमेट्री मैच कर रही है, ठीक है। सो दैट्स व्हाई यू विल सी कि ये ऑर्बिटल जो यहाँ पे था, ये जब प्रोडक्ट में आएगा, ठीक है, यहाँ पे बनेगा, सो इट विल रिजल्ट इनटू बॉन्डिंग ऑर्बिटल, ठीक है, एंड दिस विल रिजल्ट इनटू ए एंटी बॉन्डिंग ऑर्बिटल। ये यहाँ से क्लियर हो रहा है आपको, इनकी जब सिमेट्री एलिमेंट्स देखोगे आप, गॉट इट?
ओके सर।
ठीक है। सो इस केस में अगर आप कंपैरिजन करोगे, सो pi 1 is okay, it is a symmetric, so it can interact with the sigma 1, ठीक है। pi 2 symmetric है and sigma 2 is asymmetric है, ठीक है, so it cannot correlate here, so it will correlate here, ठीक है। So pi 2 will correlate with the sigma 3 star, first excited state. Similarly sigma 2 will correlate here with the pi 3 star, the first excited state, ठीक है, and pi star and sigma 4 star, so they are correlating with each other, okay। So here we know that these are the ground state of a reactant and these are the excited state of the reactant, okay। And what we can see that the pi 1 sigma 1 and pi 2, ये जो रिएक्टेंट का लेना है हमें अभी, so this is pi 1, pi 2 and pi 3 star, so they are correlating with the sigma 1, sigma 2 and sigma 3 star, or you can say the ground state is correlate of the reactant is correlating with the first excited state of the product, or the ground state of the product is correlating with the first excited state of the reactant. So what does it mean? It's a photochemical or a thermal? Gulbin कौन? Gulbin. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
So what is it? Is it a photochemical or a thermal? कौन सी ट्रांजिशन होगी? जब ग्राउंड स्टेट फर्स्ट एक्साइटेड स्टेट के साथ इंटरेक्ट कर रही है, उस केस में उस ट्रांजिशन को क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? ग्राउंड बोलते हैं कि उसको क्या बोलते हैं? ग्राउंड स्टेट वो थर्मली हो रही है कि फोटोकेमिकली हो रही है? कपिल शर्मा।
यस सर, फोटोकेमिकल।
फिर से फोटोकेमिकल, ठीक है, ये हम कर चुके हैं इलेक्ट्रोसाइक्लिक रिएक्शंस में, ठीक है। सो दिस इज अ फोटोकेमिकल, सो दिस ट्रांजिशन इज ए photochemically, so this is photochemically allowed and thermally formative, ठीक है। so 2 pi plus 2 pi जैसे हमने यहाँ पे किया, so this is photochemically allowed, so even correlation diagram में भी, so we prove that this one is a photochemically allowed and thermally a forbidden transitions, ठीक है। so यहाँ पे किसी को कोई डाउट हो, कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना हो, you can ask। ठीक है, गॉट इट। आप लोगों को टेस्ट कितने बजे दिया मैंने?
सर 3 बजे।
3 बजे। तो अभी मुझे 3 बजे एक मीटिंग का मेल आई है, इंफॉर्मेशन आई है, so I might be having meeting at 3 p.m. so maybe I can take it at 3:30, so I will try it at 3:30, ठीक है। और अगर पॉसिबल नहीं हुआ तो ओके, लेट्स डू इट एट 4 पीएम। 4 पीएम पे करते हैं।
ओके सर।
इसका 4 पीएम पे करते हैं। और कल तो नहीं आपका टेस्ट कोई, या ऐसा कर सकते हैं हम लोग, इफ यू आर फीलिंग टू बर्डन।
ऑर्गेनिक
कल है सर।
कल भी है।
यस सर, बिप्लब सर 10:30 बजे से।
ओके, सो ठीक है। तो